In this lecture, we'll see how we can make use of the Debugger tool to edit CSS styling of a given page. So here we have opened our page, and you can see that when I press F12, or if I go to this context menu and here go to more tools, and then you will find developer tools option. So after launching that, you will be able to see the Elements tab, which is going to give you a DOM representation or document object model representation of the HTML page. And here, if you select this element over here, the arrow one, so whichever element you will select, it will highlight that thing. So if I go to header, it will highlight header. If I go to this div, it will be highlighting that div. If I go to section, it will be highlighting that section. Now if you select any one of it, for instance, if I select section, you'll notice that the styling that has been applied on this section is shown over here. And you can change any attribute or add any attribute over here. For instance, if I have to update the color, let's say to red, I can do that, and here you can see the content is now appearing in red color. These changes are not permanent, but they are good for debugging purposes. You can also add certain elements over here, like you can click on it and it will allow you to add additional attributes like Z index, etc. So here I'll be setting it to auto. That way you are able to modify the existing CSS styling, and you can see how it is impacting the current page, and based on that you can then copy the CSS styling from here and put it in your site.css file. In some cases it does allow you to save it, but I would recommend not using that approach, and you basically use it for debugging purposes only. That will save you some time, and you make the changes using your favorite code editor for your HTML pages. So that was how to edit your existing CSS or debug your HTML page using developer tools.